Hey guys, this is Richie from photoboothDoctor.com, and today I'm going to talk about how to install a horizontal attract screen. Now, what an attract screen is, just like the Mirror V, which I showed in the previous video, it's this touch here to start right here. This is your attract. But as you know, this is for mirror like vertical boosts. So anything that's vertical works, but there's no horizontal screen. So that's why you have to create your own horizontal attract mode screen to make your photo booth pop out more. Now, for me, I made mine on Canva. Canva is a beautiful website where you can just create and animate some basic videos. And most of the times, all horizontal screens are 1920 by 1080, but depending on what type of TV that's in the booth, it could be a little bit bigger or smaller. Like the Surface Pros, they're like 2746 by something. I don't remember. But anyways, let's get started. So you're just going to right click on the sample beach theme and then duplicate that event. For me, I already duplicated it up here and I changed the name. Then you're going to click up here and go to device control. And when you're in device control, you're going to check mark where it says attract mode. You're going to press on where it says add and then go to video. Then you're going to make sure loop video, maintain aspect ratio, and playback using full screen is check marked. And then what you're going to do is click on where it says browse. And now for me, I already downloaded my video. I made it on Canva. Now normally when you download things off the internet, we'll go to straight to your downloads folder. But for me, I moved it to my videos folder. Scroll down, and here's the video I made. You just double click that video that you made on Canva, and then press OK, and then press OK again. And now whenever I start the booth and press continue, here's my video. And now this will just keep looping and looping until someone taps the screen. And sorry about the video I made, I just kind of threw something together. Anyways, I'm just going to touch here. And now you'll see it brings up to a different screen, the one that you actually create. But as you see, it doesn't start right away. Now, if you would like for it to start right away when someone just touches the screen, you can. So going back to device control, gonna check mark where it says during startup right here. Then press add, and then press booth command. Gonna click right here, and then go to start session. And then press OK, and then press OK again. So what that does is whenever I start the booth, press continue, and then touch the screen, it starts the session right away. So now it has more of a fluid photo booth like thing. But as you can tell, you're also going to have to create a different screen just to make this work. And obviously, the point where you don't want to use during startup is if you're trying to do like filters or GIFs or boomerangs. You need to uncheck mark this so people actually have the option to, click on the buttons right here. So if I press black and white, it'll start in black and white. But other than that, hope you have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Bye bye.